Antibody-drug conjugates, or ADC, are a challenging endeavor for pharmaceutical companies. Merck Life Science is your partner throughout the entire life cycle of your project, with a single point of contact for all your needs. You have built your cell line, your antibody, your payload, your linker. You have developed all of the components, and now everything needs to come together in the final step of your journey, right here. Our 10,000 square foot facility in St. Louis has been designed with an open floor plan, allowing us to provide capabilities to perform ADC conjugation as well as non-potent bioconjugation through both site-specific and random methodologies. Our facilities are capable of meeting your individual requirements. Our subsidiary in St. Louis is the first of its kind in the United States that provides ADC and bioconjugation services ranging from clinical to commercial scale. Our use of disposable technology and single-use equipment comes with advanced documentation of leachables and extractables to secure a safe process. All our activities are monitored through our analytical capabilities for small and large molecules, including full-service stability studies. We also take an analytical platform approach to ADC constructs. And of course, you can also monitor the process on-site. Our state-of-the-art customer office space gives you the freedom to watch the process and progress of your ADC in real time. Antibody, payload, linker, all coming together in one place as a bulk drug substance, or BDS. Take advantage of our release and stability testing services for BDS and drug product. We are your partner for ADC services, making our expertise your greatest asset.